All over the world, more and more people are realizing the value of short meditations during the day. These daily pauses in our busy, challenging lives can help us experience peace and relaxation, no matter what happens around us. And you can do the same. See, just a minute, a gift for you, for me, for life. Just a minute. I imagine myself stepping into a hot air balloon. The balloon slowly rises into the blue sky. Looking down, I see a picture of my life. Any trouble seems small. I take this moment to enjoy the silence, the peace, and let my mind rest. As the ball gently lands, I return to my day with serenity and a peaceful mind.